In this video, I will show you how to add shadow in CapCut. So if you want to add shadow in CapCut, there is two ways you can do it. You can add shadow to your text and you can add shadow to the video or a picture. So I'll show you how to do both. So if you want to add shadow to the text, just select the text like this. So go to this under the text, basic, scroll to down. If you scroll to down like this, so you can go ahead and check on this shadow. So here you can go ahead and click on the color. You can change the shadow color. So if you click on this option, scroll to down under the shadow, scroll to down, here you can reduce the opacity, here you can increase the blurry, you can increase the distance, and you can increase the angle for the shadow. So after you finish customizing your shadow on the text, now you finish. If you want to add shadow to the picture or the video, just select the picture or the video like this and then go to this remove background and remove the background of the picture or the video. After you remove the background like this, so now click on this stroke. After you click on the stroke, now you can go ahead and click on this solid stroke. So after you click on this solid stroke, so now it will give you this stroke. So now scroll to down. If you scroll to down, now you can just go ahead and change the color by clicking on this option. You can change the color as well, and then you can reduce the size and you can increase the size. So here you can go ahead and reduce the opacity like this. So by reducing the opacity, now it will give you a shadow for your image. And that's it. If this video helps, be sure to like and subscribe.